Opening the top of the Pentax K30 box is the Pentax K30 operating manual. As you can see, it's a rather large and thick book that should highlight all the functions and features of the Pentax K30 at its best. Here I will set aside the Pentax K30 operating manual and go further deep and look at the Pentax K30 body. The one that I purchased is actually the blue color body, and it is actually an amazing color with a glossy blue finish. So here, put it aside together with the operating manual, and here we have the Pentax K30 body. You can see the body cap and hot shoe right at the top of it, and the side. This side houses the SD card as well as the wired cable. At the bottom is nothing impressive except for the battery cover, and as you can see the serial number. Alright, okay, I'll put this down. Next on the list is actually the Pentax K30 strap, which is given together with the Pentax K30. Along with the strap and the body and operating manual is the Pentax battery charger, which is the DBC109. Next then will be the actual battery, rechargeable battery for the Pentax K30. This battery is rated to last at least 410 shots. Of course, which I've already purchased my envelopes with the battery holder. Here is the cable USB to connect to the PC. Other accessories that is given is the power cord for the charger. And that's it. Thank you for watching my unboxing video.